Welcome to JH. Neiliva.com is an online store that claims to sell a vast array of women's fashion, from cozy sweaters to those jumpsuits that are notoriously difficult to take off in a bathroom stall. The real question, however, is whether this site is actually legitimate or just a fancy front for a disappearing act. Let's find out together, so make sure you stick around for the full story. We started by checking the domain registration and found it was created in August 2025. Apparently, these guys are operating from the future, which is quite the feat for a store that hasn't even established a shred of credibility in the present yet. News sites like this tend to have the lifespan of a mayfly, popping up just long enough to take your money before vanishing into the digital void. Moving on to the product images, it's clear they've been liberated from other online sources. It seems Neiliva doesn't actually own or manufacture anything they're showing, which is a major red flag for anyone who actually enjoys receiving the items they pay for. We also hunted for social media pages and found absolutely nothing. No Facebook, no Instagram, not even a stray tweet. In today's world, a business without social media is about as trustworthy as a free candy sign on a windowless van. Their contact information is equally impressive, consisting of a single email address and absolutely nothing else. No phone number, no live chat, and no physical address to speak of. If your order goes missing, you can look forward to screaming into the void of an unmonitored inbox. To top it all off, there are 0 customer reviews on Trustpilot. It's almost as if no real human has ever successfully completed a transaction here, which is usually a hint you should stay away. So, is Neiliva.com legit? Based on the future-dated domain, stolen photos, and the total lack of social proof, it's safe to say this site is highly suspicious. It's definitely not a trustworthy place to spend your hard-earned cash right now. Stay cautious and wait for some actual signs of life before hitting that checkout button. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews to help you stay safe and shop smart.